There is no such medicine yet invented which can kill the coronavirus when it is in its home, that is the human lungs. But soaps can destroy these viruses while they are outside our body. Let's talk a bit about the structure of the coronavirus. Like many other viruses, this virus has got spikes. These spikes help in transferring the DNA materials of the virus inside our cells. The virus structure looks quite like this. Under these spikes there is a membrane made of lipid particles. These lipids are pin-shaped molecules whose heads are attracted by water and tails are repulsed by it. When the virus remains hydrated, the lipids naturally form a shell like this, with the heads outside and the tails inside. The shared reaction to water makes the lipids stick loosely together. This is called the hydrophobic effect. This outer structure helps the virus cell materials to enter and hijack our cell. Though the lipids stay loosely connected with each other, it has hundreds of weak points, for which the virus can easily pry apart. Here comes the role of soap. One drop of soap contains hundreds of particles called amphiphils. These particles are quite similar to the biological particles of the virus. When soap is applied, the amphiphils attempt to make its position amongst the loosely fitted lipid particles of virus. Thus, the amphiphils succeed in getting into the virus. This makes the lipid membrane pry apart, which ultimately causes the virus structure to break. The small particles of the virus, that is the spikes, the DNA material, etc., get scattered outside the cell body. They are surrounded by amphiphils and this forms a bubble-like structure. When we wash our hands with water, the bubbles along with the virus particles wash away. The whole of the process takes a few seconds, but doctors advise to wash hands for 20 seconds. This is because our hands are anything but smooth. There are peaks and valleys and folds in our hands which can be seen if observed closely. We have to make sure that soap particles reach our palms, the upper portion of the fingers, the middle of the fingers, and the upper parts of the hands to ensure the cleansing of the whole hand. Washing hands with soap can help us against life-threatening coronavirus. All you have to do is wash your hands properly for 20 seconds. Not all types of viruses can be killed with soap and water. Nevertheless, we can kill life-threatening coronavirus with soap and water. So yes, wash your hands often and wash them properly.